Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. So today we will see SSC Public Examinations July 2020 Mathematics Model Paper. We will see Mathematics Model Paper. Okay. So this time both papers they combined together and they are conducting for 100 marks. See here 100 marks we have. And time is given 3 hours 15 minutes and some instructions are given here. First one is answer all the questions in separate answer booklet. Second instruction is the question paper contains 4 sections and 33 questions. Third one, there is an internal choice in section 4. That means in section 4 only you will get an internal choice. Write answers neatly and legibly. Section 1. In section 1 what they give, answer all the questions in one word or phrase. Each question carries 1 mark. If any question is answered more than once, the first answer only will be considered. Okay? Yes. So in section 1 how many questions are given? They are given 12 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Each one carries 1 mark. So first one is a first problem, the number of subsets of an empty set. So this problem is based on sets chapter. First one is given in sets chapter. Second one, second one is given in polynomials chapter. Third problem is given, see here, third problem is given based on progression. Fourth one is given based on pair of linear equations and 2 variables. Fifth problem is given based on progressions. Sixth one is based on polynomials. Okay, seventh problem is given based on coordinate geometry. And eighth one is given based on tangents and secants to a circle. Ninth one is based on trigonometry. 10th one based on probability. 11th it is based on statistics. 12th coordinate geometry. Now coming to see section 1, how much they gave? Section 1 all compulsory we have to write. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay. So 12 questions are there in section 1. Section 2 they are given 8 questions. Section 2 8 questions are given. Each question carries 2 marks. Total is 16 marks. Okay. Yes. So here also we have to write all the questions we have to answer. 8 questions we have to answer without any missing anything. Okay. 13th one problem is given based on real numbers chapter. 14th one is given based on pair of linear equations in 2 variables. 15th one is given based on quadratic equations chapter. 16th one is given based on mensuration. 17th one problem is given based on similar triangles. 18th one is given based on trigonometry. 19th one is given based on, so what they give, 19th one is given based on probability. 20 median, that means it is based on statistics. So section 2 8 questions, each question carries 2 marks. Total 16 marks you will get. Next coming to section 3. Section 3 is also given 8 questions. But here each question carries 4 marks. Total 32 marks. So in section 3 also we have to answer all the questions. 21 is given based on sets. Next coming to 22. 22 is based on progressions. 23 is based on sets. 24 is based on progressions. 25 is based on coordinate geometry. But here they given sine 45 is tan 30, so that is belongs to trigonometry, but the problem is based on coordinate geometry. Okay. 26 is based on tangents and secants to the circle. 27, this is coordinate geometry. 28th problem is based on tangents and secants to the circle. So with this section 3 completed. Section 3, how many questions? Section 3 is 8 questions. Each question carries. Okay. Coming to section 4. Section 4, you will get internal choice. Section 4, you will get internal choice. So here 5 questions will be there. Each question carries 8 marks. Total 40 marks. 29. See here we have internal choice. In 29th one, you can answer either A or B. Out of this both, any one you can answer. Okay. So 29A is based on real numbers. 29B is based on polynomials. This is given based on 21A based on real numbers. 29B based on polynomials. Next, coming to 30. 30A. So here also you will get internal choice. 30A you can answer or B you can answer. 30A is based on quadratic equations. 30B is based on what is this mensuration. 31A trigonometry. 31B statistics. 32A, this is applications of trigonometry. 32B probability. Next, 33A, this is pair of linear equations in 2 variables. 33B similar triangles. So this is the model paper government has released recently. Okay. Yes, totally you will get 33 questions you will get. In 4th section only you will get internal choice. Remaining sections you have to attempt all the questions. No choice in the remaining sections. Section 1, section 2, section 3, no choice. Section 4 only you will get internal choice. Okay. And the time period is given as 3 hours 15 minutes. Total 100 marks. Paper 1, paper 2 together. So this is the model paper. Recently the government has released. Thank you.